impress others, you can communicate to entertain others, you can communicate to empower others. But there is a deeper level, that is you can communicate to express your own self. So that is the deepest communication level. But somewhere it was missing in my life. And when Patriji touched my life, and he said, communicate to express yourself. In ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು? Just talk, ಮಾತಾಡು. Just whatever you know, you just express. Don't worry whether the other person get convinced or not. No, there is somewhere that we are worried about other. Wherever convinced agidara, then only I will talk. Then only it is useful. There is no need. There is no need to even to get a feedback whether my talk was good or bad or average. So these things were more obsessive disorders, we can call it. So somewhere those soul which she is going to talk, ಆತ್ಮದ ಕಳೆದೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೃದಯ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸು MBBS ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹೃದಯ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋದು ಆತ್ಮ, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, dwindling between the extreme emotional contacts or extreme thoughts. So it is about the logical mind and emotional mind. Logic ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕು, ಯಾರು ನಂಬಡ, ಯಾರು ನಂಬಡ. The heart will say, believe everybody is good, don't worry, you know. So you don't have to worry, everybody is good. But actually everybody may not be good. Okay. And if you put strictly that everybody is bad, again another extreme. See, you have two extremes. So between the mind and heart, there is something called soul. We have forgotten that soul. We eat food, we meditate, we read, all that we do. But where is the soul? Nobody wants. Our soul ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ no need of an external self, external guru or external agency. You need to understand your own self. Go deep within your own self. When I started going deep within myself, ಈ ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನದು, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೈ ಲೇಯರ್, it started coming out. Then I started realizing, oh my God, soul is here. And the journey of a soul is different. And in material world, ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, that is within the spiritual world and the soul journey, these things are not really even given any marks. Okay? So there is something called you want to do a lot of things outside, but somewhere you lose that inner core. So when you start doing meditation, you come to a realization that the soul is here inside me, the guru is here inside me, the path shower is here, the lighthouse is here, okay, the lamp post is here, and he will take you to the right place at the right time. Don't worry whether you go, even if you fail, yes, you're destined to fail. You fail. So don't worry whether why I didn't get success this time. I'm so good in every way, why I am failing? Maybe it is good for you. You are getting more hit. ಈಗ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಶಿಲ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The ವಿಗ್ರಹ or the idol which has taken the maximum meeting, beautiful one, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. I mean, there's the concept. The thing is, it is not at all taken one uli pettu, yavudu chapdi. It is kept outside the temple. Okay? So, but worst thing, the worst torture that idol gets it is even chiseling everything small, bigger chisel, smallest, micro. Okay? So, the maximum is the hitting. So, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳೋದಂದರೆ, Don't get worked up when you undergo failures. ಸೋಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿರಾಶೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಜನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಲ್ಲೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಿಸಲಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಸಲ್. You want to give up, become a chapdi, that's all, outside the temple. You want to become the idol in the temple, or you want to become a chapdi outside the temple, where people go on you. Still better you are, okay? But choice is yours. So the soul journey is also like that. There's nothing to do with the outside world. You need to go deep within your own self. Then you come to know that the zerohood is the eternal. There is nothing called hero. This is ನನ್ನ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಝೀರೋ ಟು ಹೀರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಝೀರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಝೀರೋ, ನಾವು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಪ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಝೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್. ಝೀರೋ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್. ದ ಶೂನ್ಯತ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶೂನ್ಯದಿಂದ ಶೂನ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಶೂನ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೀನು ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡು, ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು, ಅಂತಸ್ತು ಮಾಡು, ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಗೋ ಅಪ್, you can buy whole Bangalore, but if you are not anchored to that shunyatva, that eternal zero, all your external things go waste. So please know one thing: meditate at least 1-2 hours in a week. Sit in a place like this, do satsangಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. Okay, there's nothing that you can do about old people. I'm not that I'm against them, but still you have a lot of future in you. Okay, you don't reinvent the wheel what others have done. Okay, you have the people who have walked on that path are telling this is the way to do it, but don't want to reinvent the wheel. Okay, if you want to reinvent, please. Okay, that is why the guru has the experience that he has already walked on that path. He knows the ups and downs of that path. That is why he guides you. Pick up, become wise and pick up and go from that level to a higher level. Don't try to do the same mistake what Guru has done. Okay, so with this background, this is what I feel, that you are eternal zeros, shunyadalle irbeku. And so you may go to any level, ultimately it is anchored, it should be anchored in zero. It is shunya, shunyadinda shunya tegidru shunya divided by shunya, purnamada. You know what is Mandukya Upanishad says is, we are Purna, at the same time we are Shunya. Okay, with this ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಮೋಹನ್ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ, she is a senior pyramid master.